In this video, let me show you how to fix Shopee promotion that cannot be redeemed. First, you need to understand why the voucher or promotion isn't working. Shopee only allows a maximum of 2 voucher types per checkout. One Shopee platform voucher. Next, make sure to review the terms and conditions before using any voucher. This often include a minimum spending amount, specific redemption period, limited number of users, store eligibility, or even a required payment method. You can view these details by pressing the Terms and Conditions button attached to the voucher. Now, here are a few reasons why your promotion might not work. The code has expired, the items in your cart aren't eligible for the voucher, you haven't met the voucher conditions, you're using a new user only voucher, but the system detected another account on the same device. Your phone number might be on Shopee's fraud blacklist. To fix the issue, try avoiding these common problems, double check the terms, use eligible items, and avoid reusing new user vouchers on the same device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.